Nababo Kabalin. Kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to We're in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products and services to our We're in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Janice Ribs, Wings, and Sausages. Obviously guys, ito yung nakikita natin ngayon sa table natin. And I would like to introduce them to you one by one, starting off with our Janice Platter. So sa Janice Platter, you will get 1 serving of barbecue ribs, 2 sausages of your choice. You will also have 5 pieces of wings, 2 cups of rice, and a coleslaw. All of that for 499 pesos only. And then next to introduce to you guys ay ang kanilang sausage platter. So on a sausage platter, you will get 5 pieces of sausages with the flavor of your choice. So ang mga flavors nila are German cheesy spicy, Schublig, Hungarian, and chicken sausage. With the platter, you will also get a coleslaw and a potato wedges. The sausage platter is just 399 pesos only. Next to introduce guys, yung kanilang chicken wings platter. So for 12 pieces chicken wings platter, you will have garlic parmesan, buffalo, and a barbecue for only 289 pesos. And then lastly, for the Janice Ribs, you will get a barbecue rib. You can choose between rice or a potato wedges. And then of course, yung coleslaw. Sa mga dips natin dyan, we have a lot of dips actually. So you get your barbecue sauce, your ranch sauce, mayo, ketchup, garlic, mustard, you name it guys. Wow, nakaka talaga. It's overwhelming when you get to meet these businesses na they're so generous to allow us taste their best sellers. So let me start with I think I'm gonna start with the sausages. I'm gonna start with the sausages. So for the sausages, let me dip it with a mustard and ketchup. So since nasa bahay naman ako guys, so allow me to use my hand instead. German cheesy, okay, German cheesy spicy. This is really huge, yeah guys. Check that out, this is huge. Okay, dip it sa ano natin, a mustard and a ketchup. Oh yeah, this is spicy. Na-jackpot natin yung spices. Nga pala guys, to inform you, they also sell frozen sausages per pack. It's only 250 pesos per pack. So yeah, if you wanna, cook it whenever you want it, frozen sausages are available. So next to taste, I'm gonna taste their chicken wings. So I think this is barbecue. Again, just another information guys, just to let you know, they have been in the industry for 3 years, if I'm not mistaken. Right now, they are located sa Clark, dun sa mga Tamu commercial. Whenever that's gonna be open, guys, you'll be able to check them out there. And then for now, if you're watching this video on a quarantine, you can transact with them and deliver these food to you. Next I'm gonna taste is yung kanilang ribs. This is the food that got them in the business. So, hindi ko palalampasin to guys. Meron tayong barbecue sauce. Really good there. Barbecue sauce. Oh wow. Oh wow. Grabe guys. Pumapasok pa lang siya sa bibig ko. I don't know what that feeling, pero meron na siyang aroma. Yung mga spices na they put in here. Hindi pa siya dumadabi sa labi ko guys, sa bibig ko or sa dila ko. Naamoy ko na. And it was really awesome. Wow. And then aside from that, the meat is super tender. It is super tender. Let me get another piece, please. For the sake of this vlog, guys, let me get another piece for satisfaction's sake. Oh wow. Oh wow. Grabe guys. So much to taste, so much to talk about in this table. We have so many flavors for the sausages as well as the wings, pero so little time. But then again guys, as I always say, more than you watch me eat the food that they bring, dito sa bahay namin. I also want you to taste it. I also want you to experience it. Make sure to check out Janice Ribs, you know, and call them, make a transaction with them. Try these meals sa bahay ninyo if you have the chance. If you like the food that you saw in this video, make sure to, you know, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. This is gonna be my last piece for the ribs. Grabe, Janice Ribs, absolute must try. I'm gonna say farewell to you guys and appreciate your time for watching this video. I hope to see you on the next vlog, and stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching We're in Pampanga. Cheers!